And it goes a little something like.
Hey lovelies, what's up? It's your girl Shipra and welcome back to my channel. Can you guys believe it? It's the mid of October. Mind blowing, right? But that being said, it means that the festive season is right around the corner. Now I know that this year's festival celebrations are going to be quite different than usual. I would personally advise everyone to take all safety measures and be safe. From today we're going to start the festive series here. The next few videos, I think 4 to 5 videos that are going to come up next, are going to be all about festivals and prepping for the festivals. They're going to be skincare video, some hauls and lookbooks too, so be excited for that. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a small kurti slash kurta sets haul. I do not have a lot of kurtis with me, but I do have a few of them which can be styled up and down. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first item is literally one of my favorites. It's this red kurta. It's actually a kurta set. I'm going to show you the pants of it later on, but it's a simple kurta, has gota patti work on the sleeves and these button details over here. Now this kurta actually came with the palazzo pant. It's a simple palazzo pant which has straight cut and has gota patti work on the hem of it. Now along with the kurta, there's a dupatta as well. I'm not very happy with the quality of the dupatta. The website says that it's actually a silk blend, but it doesn't feel like it. But I'm still happy with the kurta and the palazzo pants. It's something that you can totally dress up as well as dress down. You can go ahead and style it with a heavy dupatta and it'll be a bomb outfit. And if you want to style it for a casual day out or maybe for office or even tuitions or whatever it is, then you can wear it just as it is or with this dupatta. Now this one was from a brand called Indo Era and I bought myself a size medium. However, the size is a little loose on me. I should have probably ordered a size small. The original price of this kurta set along with the dupatta was 2499, but I got it for 1039 only. The next thing I have is again a kurta set. It's this really pretty blush pink kurta. It has a palazzo as well, but I only bought it for two reasons. One is the color and the second is the gota patti work that's here. Similar to the red one, this one also has gota patti work on the sleeves. However, it also has some gota patti work on the neckline over here, which looks super pretty. Now this kurta actually came with the palazzo pant and this is how it looks. It again has some gota patti work on the hem of it, which looks super pretty. The color of this kurta set is a little bit different from what it was shown on the website. I got it from Amazon, so what I saw on Amazon was a little bit of a pastel pinkish kind of a color, but it's sort of dull when I received it, but I still like it. I do not really have anything in this color, so yeah, really love it. This one is from a brand called Kaushal K, I think. Yeah, it's from a brand called Kaushal K. The original price of it was 2599, but I bought it for around 1000 only. Now this one again is a kurta set which you can style up and down. You can wear it on a casual day and you can also dress it for smaller functions like Bhai Dooj or maybe small pujas at your place. The next piece is my favorite. Hands down, it's the favorite piece of mine in my entire wardrobe, probably. In my entire ethnic wardrobe. It's this really pretty floral printed maxi dress. I got this one from Myntra. The name of the brand is Ux. Now this one looks exactly same as it was shown on Myntra app. I really love how comfortable it is. It's super flowy. The material is cotton and the flare is to die for. You will see it in the try on clip that the flare is huge and it looks very pretty. I've also posted a picture in this maxi dress on my Instagram, so if you're interested you can go and check it out. The original price of this maxi dress was somewhere around 2500, but I got it for 1320. Now the next kurta is literally one of my most random and most impulsive purchases ever. I got this maroon kurta from Amazon. It's from the brand Aurelia. It looked really pretty on the website. This design and everything looked very pretty, but when I received it, I don't really like it much now. I love the color, no doubt. I don't have anything maroon in my closet and that's how I really like the color. But I'm not really sure of this print. It feels very rubbery and I just feel that once I wash it off, it probably just will go away. It just looks a little bit different from what it was shown on the website. I might just I mean, I'm not sure, but I might just return this one. The original price of this kurta was around 1199, but I got it for 640. Okay, I forgot to mention the size of this one. I mean, the size that I ordered is a size medium, and it's not body hugging and it's not too loose also. So it's kind of right size for me. It's a straight fit kurta, and yeah, that's about it. Also, the size for the Uggs maxi dress, I ordered a size small for myself. Now the last kurta that we have is this one that I'm wearing right now. It's this really pretty green kurta. I honestly just bought it for the color because I do not have anything in green in my closet, and as soon as I saw it, I loved the color so much, and the print is also quite nice. So I just ordered it right away. This is such a casual piece that it can be worn to work, it can be worn to college with jeans, it can be paired with palazzos, it can be paired with pants. I mean, the possibilities are literally endless. You just have to know how to style it. I don't remember the name of the brand from which I bought it, but this fabric is super soft. It's crepe material. I ordered a size medium in this one. The original price of this kurta was 1999, but I got it for flat 350. That's it. These are all the kurta sets that I bought. Links to all the kurtas will be in the description box down below, so make sure to check that out. Also, in case you like the haul, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification button. Also, like, share and comment on the video. You can also follow me on Instagram. I make really cool content there as well. Now that's about it. I've been blabbering for the last 1 hour. I'll go now. You guys have a great day.